And a good day to everybody. Welcome to a new video. I'm Robert, or the Cheap World Traveler, and today I'm in Bangkok. Right now I'm walking on Sukhumvit Soi 10, and I am on my way to a green bridge that stretches here from Soi 10 to Lumphini Park. And what it is a green bridge that's just run across some neighborhoods here in Bangkok. It's a kind of a nature track, and yeah, it just runs through some houses or through some neighborhoods, and you can enjoy the little green bridge of what it is. So we're going on private property now officially, but they don't really mind as long as you don't make any trouble. If it is close, you have to walk around to like Soi 8 or something, or more in that direction. But it's open. Here you can see the start. Next to this canal, it's full of wires and trees and whatnot. And it's called the Green Bridge, probably for the reason that the path is green. And it's an excellent way to jog or bicycle, or just have a nice piece of walk here in the middle of Bangkok. The track is around 1 kilometer long, I think. Could be a little bit more. Not really sure. I haven't measured it out. So here we begin officially. You can see you're just walking at the back of some houses, and there's some nice water here, or well, it looks very dirty at the moment, but and they're doing some sort of construction on the left here. I think they are actually expanding or building a new park that's coming right on the left of here. Hello. Yeah, so the best time to come here, I would say, is at the end of the day, just like 90 minutes before sunset, so around 5 p.m. Then most people come here to work out, or just to enjoy the walk, and you don't have too much bother of the hot sun, because well, it's going down already, and there isn't a lot of shade over here. I mean, this part is, but most of the way you're pretty much in the open sun. So best to come or very early, or like now, it's around 5 p.m. At the moment. So we're coming now up on the first bridge out of 2 or 3. I'm not so sure. I always forget. But yeah, if you're riding a bicycle, you can easily take your bike with you here. And once we're up, we can get a nice view of the park that is being constructed. Right here they are building a new huge park with lots of bridges to walk on. I have no idea when it will be finished, but it does look nice from what we see now. It's going to be great once it's finished, I think. Here's bridge number 2. You have to take a left, don't go right, it's a dead end. So this is going to be one of the entrances to the new park. So you can basically access the new park from the green bridge. Here we are crossing one of the bigger roads and a railway track. If you lead us to that way, you arrive at Sukhumvit Road. And if you go to the right up there, then you go back to Nana and Anasok, and to the left is Siam. So now we're coming into more of the open area where there are not so many trees anymore. And we're also walking right to cross some local neighborhood here. So you can enjoy, I guess, the original architecture of the Thai people here in Bangkok. Lots and lots of wooden houses. And lots of electrical wiring. It's also a spot for many Thai people to take the Instagram pictures, or I've seen other people do vlogs here before and do dances for their YouTube videos, I guess. It's a real interesting place. Yeah, it's really nice to walk up here, just across the local Thai neighborhoods and all these wooden houses instead of all the concrete buildings. Right over here is the only, well, shop that you can buy stuff from, like fresh up on your waters, or buy like candy, different kinds of candy. Unfortunately, I cannot read Thai, so I'm not sure what they all are offering. But basically, you can fill up a cup with different kinds of candy, and then for your enjoyment to eat. Hello. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I've got an ice bucket, and I can just fill it up with. So now I've got some kind of Thai snack with ice and syrup and all kinds of stuff. It's very hard to eat. I think I have to let it melt a little bit more. Yeah, I have to have it melt a little bit more because this is not really working. Not the candy and fruit. It's actually quite yummy. See lots and lots of people taking their Instagram pictures over here. more Instagrammers or wannabe models or YouTubers. Many people take pictures over here. And right now we are coming to the end of the Green Bridge. This is the final bridge to take. Over there is Sukhumvit Road here up ahead. Well, not this road, but up there up ahead. And if we walk a little bit more to this side, over here on the left side at the blue building, that is Lumphini Park. We are now at the northeast corner of that park. So if you want to begin your trail on this side, you have to go here. If you want to reach this place, then you have to get on the MRT to Lumphini Park, and then that will bring you to the southeast corner of the park, and then you have to walk to the northeast corner of the park, where you will find the entrance of this green bridge, or take the BTS to Asok station or MRT Sukhumvit station. Then you can walk there to Soi 14, and from there you can, like I said at the beginning, you have to walk a little bit through private property, but they usually don't make a problem of that. And there you can enjoy this little green bridge walkway. And maybe also get one of these ice creams that I'm still working on. It's really hard to eat with this plastic spoon. It's more of a liquid now, but it is yummy. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this green bridge with me. If you want to see more of my stuff, then consider hitting that subscribe button. And while you're at it, maybe give this video a like. And also follow me on Instagram. And well, I hope you have a great day. And see you until next time. Goodbye.